If you're completely new to sewing, this might come as a surprise to you, but this thing here is an important tool in the arsenal of anybody who makes clothes. It is important to press your seams, which just means like to iron them, so that they lie nice and flat. Now, as an example, I've pressed this side seam here, right? So it sort of lies nice and flat. I've yet to do this side seam here. And if you see them side by side, you can immediately tell the difference. This looks nice and professional, and this looks basically shoddy. So to fix that, you just turn your t-shirt with the good side out. Sorry, with the bad side out. And we're going to press open this seam right here. Now, as you get more as you start making more clothes, you will hopefully develop a habit of pressing your seams pretty much after every seam you sew. I haven't done that now because I didn't want to interrupt the video every time, and we can still press them now. So press your seams, press your hems, and do this from now on always, and your results will look much better. You see, this is already much better than if we go further along the seam where we haven't pressed it. This doesn't look as good.